As the India-Italy diplomatic tussle intensifies, the case is all set to be heard in the Supreme Court on Monday. Times Now has accessed complete details of what will be Italy's strategy.
And the Italian side is likely to play the diplomatic immunity card to help the Italian envoy avoid the contempt of court charge. But top Indian lawyers claim that such a defense will not hold much water in the court.
They have snubbed India again and again by first refusing to allow the killer Marine's return despite the assurance, and then showing utter disregard to diplomatic ties. And the focus now shifts to the Supreme Court hearing on Monday as the Italian ambassador attempts to hoodwink India.
When this matter is coming up tomorrow, they will have to see how they can move forward. As he did say, the Italian ambassador cannot move and make himself hot and cold, clearly for the point being one. He had taken the Supreme Court's undertaking. That undertaking has been breached for now.
Sources have told your channel that Italy has its strategy in place to defend its envoy. And the most important argument it could present will be that Ambassador Mancini has diplomatic immunity. Experts, however, discard this argument.
There's no question of his pleading diplomatic immunity. He has to carry out the undertaking, diplomatic immunity or not. That's the whole question. He is in contempt.
My view is there is no question of a petitioner saying I don't submit to your jurisdiction. But wiser counsel have prevailed, so they will argue and they will see what happens.
Italy has mocked our judicial system by first killing innocent Indian fishermen and added insult to injury by offering to educate the children of the murdered fishermen and offering them a luxurious holiday for murder. On Monday, all eyes will be on how India handles the issue to send a tough message to Italy. Bureau Report, Times Now.